My name is Alexis Morocco.
This is Bo Lu.
Hi, my name is Trinity Hannif.
This is a 3D printed chess pawn that was made in a STEM program that I helped organize for underrepresented minority students. Along with this, I also organized fundraisers for chess supplies and iPads, along with teaching lessons for underserved children in the Twin Cities and in Nigeria.
What got me into organizing was seeing my delegation leader take something that was personal to him and bringing together youth to talk about it and discuss the changes they wish to see.
I got into organizing because I wanted to help students of color in my community who were interested in STEM, but due to the achievement gap and being disproportionately placed on lower academic tracks, they were not able to pursue their interest in STEM. But over time, my interest in organizing has grown, and I've been able to do more things in STEM and also outside of STEM.
Organizing matters to me because it's my form of personal expression.
Organizing allows all voices to be heard by expressing different passions and perspectives.
I think one way to break barriers and make organizing more accessible is through education. People need to understand that organizing doesn't just mean doing the big things. It can be as small as having a conversation. If you are spreading education, conversation, advocacy, you are an organizer, you are an activist. And so I feel like the more that is spread and the more understanding people have of what it really means to be an organizer, the more accessible it becomes.
I organize these events because today in our society, many children are not able to pursue different interests and academic fields because of their race and socioeconomic status, and I wanted to help combat this notion.
One way to have those difficult conversations is to make sure you're an active listener. Don't engage in a conversation with the intent of being aggressive, with the intent of arguing. Make sure you're listening to what the other person has to say. Like, I know it can be really tempting to just yell and scream, but make sure you are engaging in the conversation wholeheartedly so the other person will be more willing to do so too.
Performative activism is very dangerous, and it can cause more harm than good. To be engaged in impactful change, we have to work on things that we are truly passionate about instead of doing things for an award or recognition. Working on things in your community that you genuinely care about and want to improve is the best type of activism because it always makes the most positive impact.
Thank you for letting us tell you what makes us act up. What makes you act up?
See you next time.